Ibotta's app size can change with updates, device type, and operating system, so the storage used on your phone may not match what another user sees. By the end, you'll know how to check Ibotta's storage usage on your device, what takes up space inside the app, and what steps to try if storage becomes a problem. The easiest way to check Ibotta's storage use is through your phone settings. On most devices, you can open Settings, go to the Apps section, select Ibotta, and view the storage information shown there. This number includes more than just the original app installation. Your phone may also count saved data, temporary files, and other information created while you use the app. The first section to understand is app size versus app data. The app size is the space required to install Ibotta. App data is the additional storage created while the app runs. If you use Ibotta regularly, the app may store information needed for a smoother experience. This can include temporary files and account-related app data stored on your device. If your storage is getting low, start by checking how much space Ibotta is using compared with other apps. Your phone's storage menu shows which apps are taking the most space. The second section is clearing unnecessary storage. On Android devices, you can usually clear an APS cache through the app settings. This removes temporary files without uninstalling the app. On iPhone, storage management works differently. You can review Ibotta's storage from iPhone settings and use the available options for managing apps. Before deleting the app, make sure your account information is available so you can sign back in if needed. Removing and reinstalling an app can remove stored app data from your device. If Ibotta is taking more space than expected, update the app through your device's app store. Updates can change how the app manages storage and may improve performance. Storage problems are often caused by multiple apps, photos, videos, and downloads, not just one app. Check your full storage report before blaming a single application. To summarize, check Ibotta storage from your phone settings, understand the difference between app size and saved data, and manage storage through your device tools. Your next step is to open your phone settings, find Ibotta in the app list, and check exactly how much storage it uses on your device. If this guide helped you manage Ibotta storage, like the video and subscribe for more app guides.